Okay, so this is a demo of our latest feature, recording tutorials and viewing tutorials. So as always, I've placed my mannequin away from where I am at the moment. So what you want to do is press the top two buttons, and that is Y and B simultaneously, and that will replace the mannequin. And this tutorial, this setting is over here in this panel, and what I do is press the grip and the trigger at the same time and move it over here so it's in a good position. And I'm going to move the body down by doing the same on the right hand side so it's in a comfortable place. So this feature allows you to record your probe movements and the laser pointer so that you can create tutorials for your students and really scale up your ultrasound teaching, and they can see exactly where you've moved to, and then they can take control and try it themselves. So I'll just show you how that works. So I've created a tutorial already, Introduction to Echo. This is locally where I've created it, and if you want to check it out first, what you do is you go to Cloud Tutorial, enter my email address, alistair@deepscope.co.uk, like here, and then click add email, and then you should see me in this drop down, and you can click refresh to make sure you've got everything, and then you basically download. You'll get all of the names of the tutorial. You actually want to grab, you get all the names of the tutorial, and then you want to download all. So you download all, and you'll be able to see this series of tutorials. And then once you've downloaded them, you can click on Introduction to Echo, and then you can press play. Hello, my name is Alistair Catto, and I'm founder of Deepscope, and this is a quick tutorial on the basics of Echo in POCUS. And so before we start, we just want to get a few things on your device set up. So we want to make sure that the probe marker, which is a marker on your screen, is on the right hand side of the screen. And that matches up with the marker on your actual probe. And they come in different shapes and sizes, but you just need to make sure that that's on the right. Usually on your device,
Okay,
you flip it, and we want to make sure that we're in that. So you can see that you can move the body. As an instructor, you can move the body, you can move the probe, you can show them, you can change what bookmark they're on. You can really control everything that the student sees. And then at the end, you can give a student a task, and then before the next tutorial to try something, and then you can show them how to do it. So in here I've got a few pathologies, and I've got some explanations for each of those. So how to create these, we're just going to stop, exit. So we've tried to make it really easy to create. So what you want to do is, if you're creating a new module, for example, like Introduction to Echo or Pathologies, or I don't know, View Plane Finding or something like that, you just create you add a new module name and click add, and then it should appear in here in this list. And then you can record the tutorial as part of that. So you select one of these, say default, and I'm going to click record tutorial. Okay. It started recording, and now every 12th of a second it is recording the position of my laser pointer and the position of my probe, and then I can also switch something, and I can change the depth, and I can flip the image. Okay, and then I'm just going to stop, and we're just going to save it. You can put a name, but we're just going to save it. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to our local. We haven't put this on the cloud yet, so this is just locally. You can cancel if you've made a mistake or whatever. And so now we're just going to play it, so you can quickly see how it looks. It started recording, and now every 12th of a second it is recording the position of my laser pointer and the position of my probe, and then I can also switch something, and I can change the depth, and I can flip the image. Okay, so once you've created your, let's say you're creating a module. I was creating Introduction to Echo earlier, but say you're creating default module. Once you're happy with it, you click upload all, and that will send them up to the cloud. And then students can access that by just entering your email address that you use to log into Deepscope, add email, refresh, and they should see your module, and they can just download them all from there. So yeah, if you want to start out by just grabbing my ones, alistair@deepscope.co.uk, having a look at the tutorials that I've made. Hello, my name is Alistair Cato, and then have a go and see if you can create your own tutorials and share them with us. That would be really, really helpful, and we'd love to see what you can build with it. Thanks very much.